Hello student and welcome to today's lesson. Letter K. The letter K says k, k, k. Look at the key. Key. Look at the kangaroo. Kangaroo. Look at the kitten. Kitten. The letter K. Usage of K in a word. The letter K can be in the middle of a word like take. The letter K can be at the end of a word like hook. STEAM activities. S. Tell why the kangaroo lived in a jungle. T. Listen to the letter K by watching a video. E. Create the letter K with Play-Doh. A. Provide a worksheet with a sketch of a kitten. Ask the students to color the kitten using crayons. M. Count objects beginning with the sound K around you. Review. Write the first letter of each picture. Itten. Write the first letter K, kitten. Horse. Write the first letter H, horse. Seep. Write the first letter J, jeep. E. Write the first letter K, key. At. Write the first letter H, hat. Ninkpot. Write the first letter I, inkpot. Write the letters that come before and after the given letters. Before and after. E, D, E, F. Before and after. I, H, I, J. Before and after. H, G, H, I. Before and after. D, C, D, E. Before and after. B, A, B, C. Before and after. G, F, G, H. Before and after. J, I, J, K. Before and after. C, B, C, D. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.